Group portions of your model for quick selections for future use with Polygroups. Pressing the Polyframe button here will view both the wireframe of your mesh and your polygroups. Press both Ctrl plus W key to polygroup all visible geometry. A new random color is generated with every press. Also create polygroups with the use of the selection tools to isolate. Next, press Ctrl plus W key to polygroup. Isolate and hide polygroups by holding both Ctrl and Shift key while clicking on a polygroup. Polygroup mask portions of your mesh by pressing both Ctrl and W key. With polygroups on your mesh, Ctrl-click to quickly unmask that polygroup.